If you are done with spending too much money, then try our method of getting Cafe Casino No Deposit Bonus Codes 2022. In today's video, I will show you how can you get Cafe Casino Free Spins Codes 2022 and save some money. You will learn how to use our generator tool to be able to receive Cafe Casino bonus code. Open up your favorite browser and go to this website, empirecodes.com. On the home page of this website, a CR gauge for Cafe Casino. Click the first result link to open. Scroll down until you see this big button and click on it to open the generator. You can see all available amounts you can generate on the generator page. So scroll down and select the amount of your choice. Click on it and give the generator to do what it does best. Okay, the code's generated, but we can't see the last digits because it's hidden. To unlock it, simply click the Human Verification button and complete any survey of your choice to prove you are human and not an automated robot. Soon after you finish, the full code will be unlocked, and you can get the full working codes thanks to this generator.